hate cucumbers. Secrets of companion planting and popular combinations: tomatoes and cucumbers. An uneasy alliance. While tomatoes and cucumbers may seem like a match made in salad heaven, the reality is far from harmonious. In the world of companion planting, these two popular garden vegetables are often considered incompatible companions. Why? The reasons lie in their respective growth habits, nutritional needs, and susceptibility to disease. 1. Growth habits. Tomatoes are notorious for their sprawling growth habits, with vines that can easily overwhelm neighboring plants. On the other hand, cucumbers prefer to spread out and climb, often competing with tomatoes for space and sunlight. 2. Nutritional needs. Both tomatoes and cucumbers are heavy feeders, meaning they require ample nutrients to thrive. When planted together, they may end up competing for soil nutrients, leading to stunted growth and reduced yields. 3. Disease susceptibility. Perhaps most importantly, tomatoes and cucumbers are susceptible to similar diseases, including various fungal infections and wilts. Planting them in close proximity increases the risk of disease spread, potentially devastating both crops. The solution: strategic planting combinations. While the relationship between tomatoes and cucumbers may be fraught with challenges, all hope is not lost. By understanding their needs and preferences, gardeners can implement strategic planting combinations to mitigate potential conflicts and maximize benefits. 1. Vertical gardening. One effective strategy is to embrace vertical gardening techniques. By training tomatoes to grow vertically using stakes or trellises, gardeners can free up valuable ground space for cucumbers to sprawl without competing for territory. 2. Intercropping with complementary plants. Instead of planting tomatoes and cucumbers side by side, consider intercropping them with complementary plants that promote growth and deter pests. For example, basil and marigolds are known to repel common tomato pests, while radishes can help deter cucumber beetles. 3. Rotating crops. To minimize the risk of disease, practice crop rotation by alternating the location of tomatoes and cucumbers each growing season. This disrupts the life cycles of pathogens in the soil and reduces the likelihood of infection. 4. Companion planting with caution. While tomatoes and cucumbers may not make ideal companions, there are still opportunities for strategic pairing with caution. For instance, planting them in separate raised beds or containers can help maintain spatial separation while still benefiting from their proximity.